Hey everybody, A. Ali Flores again with OrlandoVacation.com, and do me a big favor before we keep going. Click that link to subscribe and follow. Share as much as you can, and make sure you get the notifications for the next time we post a video. So, let's talk about Disney World packages. All right, when planning a trip, things can definitely get a little confusing. There are so many options out there, and trying to narrow them down can be a challenge. Do I want to stay in a hotel, a vacation home? Do I want tickets? When should I go? What's the best price for me? These are only some of the questions our guests find themselves asking. Well, let's start off with the basics. What comes with a Disney World vacation package? That's a good question. Thank you, I asked that. This one's easy. When you build a Disney World package, you have your tickets and your choice of lodging. Now for lodging, you got two options. You can have a hotel or some vacation homes. Now, here's the thing. Why would you want the difference? Why would you want a hotel or a vacation home? It's pretty simple. Just depends on how many people are traveling with you and how long you're going to be there. Okay? So if you only have a couple of people and you're going to be there for a couple of days, a hotel. It's going to be a more bang for your buck. But let's just say you got a bunch of people. You're bringing a whole family, the whole clan, and you're going to be here for a week. A vacation home probably makes more sense. Vacation homes offer larger families the option of staying in one place together. They're also going to come with a full kitchen, so it allows everyone the option of, making food at home, which will save you money, and saving money is a big thing on vacation. This especially helps if you're planning on taking a longer vacation, because you'll more than likely end up saving money by cooking from home. There are a few different options if you're considering a vacation home. There are condos, townhomes, and single-family pool homes, which, by the way, in Florida is a great thing. These are vacation homes in resorts and some in communities. It's important to think about what option would work best for you and your guests. Once you decide on lodging, it's time to figure out what kind of tickets you're looking for. Walt Disney World Resort has 4 main parks, okay? You got the Magic Kingdom, Animal Kingdom, Hollywood Studios, and Epcot. So, this means that you can choose to have a ticket that's just for one park or for all 4 parks. So if you're looking for just a single park ticket, that's called a base ticket. If you're looking for a ticket that allows you to go to all the parks, that's called a park hopper. And yes, you have to hop when you get that. No, you don't have to hop. Okay, I don't know why. Okay, never mind. Walt Disney World also has 2 water parks, a sports complex, and golf courses. If you're wanting access to these as well, it's considered to be a Park Hopper Plus ticket. Finally, you can get a Park Hopper or a base ticket that has Genie Plus included with it. Now, if you get that, that's going to help you plan your day a little bit better, and it also gives you that lightning lane for certain attractions. Tickets are broken down into days. Whether you want a ticket for 1 day or 7 days, we got you covered. And finally, for each ticket type, there is an adult option or a child option. Knowing which ticket type you want is a great start to figuring out which tickets to get and how to build your Disney World vacation package. Okay, so how can I save? I'm gonna tell you. Just by building a package, our guests save an average of 12% or more on their Disney World packages. The more days you purchase with your ticket, the more you can save. This applies to how many nights you plan on staying as well. Through our partnerships, we offer the most affordable lodging and ticket prices. As previously mentioned, we have another way to save you money. Getting that vacation home. A lot of times when you don't have that vacation home, you're going out to eat, which can be pricey, but with that vacation home, you can eat there and save you a ton of money, all right? Now, if you're wanting to stay at a hotel, we have several options that offer free breakfast, so that's one less meal you have to worry about. The reason we recommend this is because when purchasing Genie Plus with your ticket, you are purchasing it for every day that your ticket is valid. Now, we suggest purchasing it separately because you can purchase it for a single day while having a 5-day ticket. More than likely, you'll only need Genie Plus for one, and if you decide to add it on later, you can. There are so many opportunities to save while building your vacation package. Tips for booking. Think about when you're wanting to stay. Is it during the holidays, peak season, off season? If you're planning on visiting during the holidays or peak seasons, we definitely recommend looking into Genie Plus. We recommend this because Genie Plus includes access to the Lightning Lane, which allows guests to skip the regular queue line at the attractions, so it's less time waiting and more time enjoying. If you're going during a different season, using Disney Genie can help you plan your day to get the most out of it. Even without Genie Plus, Genie still acts as an itinerary planner and can help keep you going. Disney World does require reservations to be made for guests that are attending the parks. It's important to get the tickets as soon as possible, especially if you're traveling during peak times, so that you're able to get into the park you're wanting to visit the most. Once you have your ticket, you're able to link it to your My Disney Experience account and make your reservation. If you're going to the Magic Kingdom, we recommend getting there early. Okay, Disney's Magic Kingdom has a parking lot separated from the park. This means that you'll need to take a boat or the monorail to get to the theme park. This whole process can take some time, so we do recommend getting there as soon as possible. If you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or need help planning, be sure to check out our website at orlandovacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. All right, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you here in Orlando. Bye.